We founded the program in 2015, seeing the need in Arizona. There was such a gap in services for women that we put this program together to be able to help women who are immediately diagnosed with breast cancer or who have had breast cancer in the past. I was diagnosed with breast cancer and I knew how the journey went, and for me, I just felt like we needed more help to women who are single moms, women who are unemployed, underinsured, and we just knew that there was a need, and so I was able to start reaching out to businesses that would help donate products that are not covered by insurance. Learning about Chapman Cares and knowing all that they've done in the Valley, it's kind of a neat perk for Impact One to be able to partner with you guys today. Getting the word out about our organization, but also getting the word out to the volunteers of Chapman Cares with learning about breast health and the importance of different organizations that can help women that are diagnosed.